Our last class, we have learned how to solve an equation. You just remember, whenever you perform any operation in one side of an equation, do it for the other side also. Otherwise, left hand side will not remain equal to right hand side. You will keep this in your mind, and now we'll move forward in the exercise, that is 4.2. okay, if you perform subtraction, do it for the other side also. Okay, so the first question is, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. That means you have to first write the steps what you are going to do to separate these variables, then you solve the equation. So 1a, it is x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so it is, we have to separate this variable and this number. So here it is minus 1 in the left hand side. So what you have to do? You have to add 1. Okay, and in the right hand side also you have to add. So first you will write the steps. What will be the steps? Add 1 in both the side. And 1 on both the side. That means x minus 1, so you will add 1 to make it 0, and 0 plus 1. Okay, so minus 1 plus 1, it will become 0, so only x will remain. 0 plus 1 is 0. That is the solution of this equation. Okay, so in every case you have to write the step first. Okay, so the question number B is x plus 1 is 0. So subtract 1 from both the side. It is plus 1. So you have to subtract 1. So subtract 1 from both the side. So what will you get? X plus 1 minus 1 means 0 minus 1. So this will become 0. X equals to minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, so in same way we will do question number E. It is 1 minus 4 equals to minus 7. So it is minus 4. So you have to add 4 on both the side. Okay, so add 4 both the side. So when we add minus 7 plus 4, it will become 0. Y will only remain. So minus 7 plus 4, it is, if you remember, different sign. So you have to subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3, and minus 1 is the bigger one. So it will be minus 3. That is the solution. So you have to write answer also. In all the cases you will write answer. And this step. Okay, same way you will do. So your homework will be C, D, F, G and H. Okay, we'll move to the next question. That means if you notice here, if it is minus 1, you have to add. If it is plus, you have to subtract. Okay, same way we will do the question number 2. There either it is multiplication or it is a subtraction. Question number 2 says, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Same as question number 1, you have to write the steps first. Question number A, it is 3L equals to 42. When there is no sign in between, that means it is multiplication. When in left hand side it is multiplication, you have to divide. That means 3L equals to 42. How can you remove this 3? If I divide it by 3, okay. So divide both the side by 3. Divide both side by 3. So it will be 3L by 3 equals to 42 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1. So what will remain? L equals to 42 by 3 is 14. Okay. So your answer will be L equals to 14. But you have to write this step. That means when in one side it is multiplication, you have to divide by the same number to separate that variable. We'll do now, I'll show you question number C. P by 7 equals to 4. Here it was multiplication. P by 7 means it is division. So you have to multiply. So multiply both the side by 7. So when we multiply both the side by 7, left hand side what will become? P by 7 into 7, 4 into 7. So 7 into 7 is what? It will get cancelled. P will only remain 4 7s are 28. So your answer, the solution is P equals to 28. Same way we will do G. It is A by 5 equals to 7 by 15. Okay. So here it is division. Divide. So you have to multiply. So multiply both the side by 5. So A by, we will get A by 5 into 5 and 7 by 15 into 5. So 5 will get cancelled. Only A will remain. So and it is 3, 7 by 3. So A equals to 7 by 3. That is your answer. So you remember, when it is multiplication in the one side, you have to divide to separate this variable. If here it is division, you have to multiply to separate this variable. Your homework will be B, D, E, F, H. Okay. So what we have learned so far? 4 things we have learned to solve an equation, or how to solve an equation. That means, what are those 4 things? If in one side it is addition, to remove that variable you have to subtract. Okay, or vice versa. If subtraction, you have to add. And if it is multiplication in one side, you have to divide. Okay, if it is multiplication, you have to divide to separate these variables. If there is division, you have to multiply, vice versa. 4 things this you have to remember. Thank you.